Hey guys, and welcome to testing video. Today I wanted to share with you our brand new drone, which is the DJI Flip. And the video starts, as you can see, with hitting the drone in a wall, in a garage door actually. So yeah, that is probably the highlight of this drone. It has propeller guards, so you can accidentally or intentionally hit this drone into other objects and it will remain working. That is under one condition, that you don't hit it hard enough so the motor stop working and the drone is just going to fall. Now you can see views from the drone itself. As you can see, pretty good 4K image quality. So this drone has the same sensor as the Mini 4 Pro, which we have commented previously. It has a very nice image quality, and here you can see a zoomed 4K picture. This is a zoomed in picture, so it's like 50% crop, so you can see more detail in case you're gonna crop the videos that you record with the DJI Flip. As you can see, there's a lot of detail, uh, and yeah, here we spin a lot. Yeah, a lot of detail and nice colors. So yeah, pretty good. This was recorded in the internal memory. That's why you see some uh, some very bad framing. So here we have an outdoor in the field views. So yeah, pretty nice image quality from the DJI Flip, one of the most affordable 4K drones out there. So yeah, pretty good. The price is that low because the drone doesn't have a lot of sensors for protection. The good thing is that it's under 250 grams, so no need to register this drone, which is a very nice feature, especially for a drone that performs this well. It is a bit louder than the Mini 4 Pro, also not as stable during the winds.